days until at least 1 o'clock.
Well, coming up after the break, we'll check in with Lorraine on Highway 90 for an update on
the calls that they are handling right now. You can see the flag that is blowing here. We are in Florence, just along Highway 49, and I'll tell you this, the winds are certainly picking up, and the very gusty, and the rains have been fairly consistent, but they're just getting a little bit heavier. In fact, this is probably the heaviest that we've, or amongst the heaviest that we've seen since we've been out for the past several hours or so. So again, from the Mississippi Highway Patrol, if you don't have to be on the roadways right now, they're asking that you stay off the roads. Just remember, these emergency crews are out right now. They're working alongside with MDOT, and their goal, get the roadways cleared so that transportation can continue to flow. That needs to happen so emergency crews can get to those areas that are being impacted. For now, we are live here along Highway 49. Back to you guys in the studio.
All right, Melissa, thanks for that update. At least one death has been attributed to the storm so far in Louisiana. Of course, Ida now a tropical storm as it crawls up through Mississippi, delivering heavy rain. And with the deluge, warnings of flash flooding. Isabel Rosales is in New Orleans to report on what has happened so far.
Hurricane Ida slamming into Louisiana as a Category 4 storm Sunday is one of the strongest to ever hit the state.
I don't think that there could have been a worse path for this storm. It's going to have some significant impacts.
With sustained winds as strong as 150 miles per hour and storm surge up to 15 feet, the National Weather Service warns parts of southeastern Louisiana could be uninhabitable for weeks.
This is a devastating hurricane. It's going to have catastrophic impact.
Though Ida is slowly weakening, it continues to wreak havoc as it moves north across the state. Heavy rainfall and top levees now posing flash flooding threats.
That intense rainfall, that's going to create a lot of urban flooding across many of the jurisdictions, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and all of the different localities in between. And it's going to strain the system. It's going to strain the drainage system.
Widespread power outages adding to the danger.
Some of the lines can be restored in shorter order, and then advising us that maybe it'll be a few days, but it could be a matter of weeks.
As officials prepare to assess the scope of the devastation, many worry the situation could be dire for those who stayed behind.
Seems like there's hundreds, possibly more people, trapped in their houses. So it's going to be a pretty bad scene with a lot of work to do to move quickly and safely.
In New Orleans, Isabel Rosales.